You know, I've always wanted to tint or black out the taillights on my Tundra, and looking at the taillight replacements online, I never really saw anything I liked until recently. Wait. Sorry, ADD moment. That's pretty sexy right there. Let's get back to the video. So what do we have here? No, not the American Standard toilet. On top of that is a box I just got in the mail. So let's crack this thing open and see what we're going to do about the taillights on the 2020 Tundra. So I got these taillights from High Rev Sports. I'll put a link down in the description. They're available in a clear lens and a darkened lens. I went with the darkened lens. And I'll show you how easy this is to install. So we're going to use a T30 Torx wrench here to remove these two bolts. So this is the Torx wrench and the screw here, or the bolt that goes in. Now when you remove the taillight, you want to kind of pull it towards you, not straight back. So it kind of comes out to the side. There's two connectors, one at the bottom and one at the top. Once you've got those popped loose, there's just 3 disconnects you have to do on the inside of the light. Let's get a closer look. You should be able to disconnect these with your fingers. They should just squeeze and pop loose from this mounting, this housing here. I had issues with one of them. I couldn't get it to pop loose, so I had to use a small flathead screwdriver to get that to disconnect. My GoPro decided to die from being out in the sun. It was 98 degrees. So you see I've got the left-hand side tail light, driver's side in, and I'm just speeding up the video here on the right-hand side. I had to move my GoPro into the garage. This is literally a plug-and-play situation here with these tail lights that I got. See the brake light, I've got the hazard lights on, and then I'm going to turn the headlights on. So even here in bright daylight sunlight, you can see that just even the tail lights without the brake light on is fairly bright. I like these tail lights because they had an amber turn signal versus a red turn signal built into the brake light, like the stock Tundra ones. But the reverse lights on here and the brake lights are very bright. I also like that these have marking lights on the side and that the indicator light wraps around to the side. I think you can pretty safely be seen from all angles with these tail lights in. So let me know what you think, guys. I appreciate the quick watch of the video here. A pretty quick one here for you today. I think these came out looking pretty sharp.